Alright, so today is Monday morning. I'm going to be making a crock pot chicken. I've been craving this dish. I haven't made it in a while, but it's all in that crock pot. Alright guys, it's Tuesday around 12 p.m. I'm really tired. For some reason I didn't go to bed till 2 a.m. yesterday. I had to wake up at 7, so I had 5 hours of sleep. Yes, 5 hours. Guys, I'm so tired. So, I went to Target. I got this energy drink, I think. It's called Celsius Live Fit Sparkling Orange. But it has like B vitamins in here. It has vitamin C, which is really good for energy. I'm just so tired. I was trying to find the Coke energy drinks. If you guys know where to get the Coke energy drinks, I definitely want to try that out to see how that tastes and if that gives me energy, but I want to see if this gives me any energy. I also got some frozen vegetables, guys. Now the reason I got frozen vegetables not to eat, I have a lot of shoulder pain because I'm doing this really big project at work. It's one of those yearly projects I do, and it basically it's a lot of repetition on my shoulder, and so my shoulder's really sore. The last time I tried massage therapy, acupuncture, it helped a little bit, but the ice helped the most. So I'm hoping to get better and not get too bad. Let me show you what I'm working with. Alright guys, you see all these boxes right here? I did it all myself. I have a lot more to do. So basically what I need to do is, see this file cabinets? So what I need to do is like take all the files out that were, if there's no files within a year, take them out. Then I box them. And I label them trucks. Start with trucks first, then I'll do cars, and it's just a long process. And I have a lot more to do, but doing this every day is a lot of repetition on my shoulder, so now that's why I need ice on my shoulder. And also a coworker wanted to know if I wanted to buy some Girl Scout cookies. I decided I'll just buy one. I was just originally at the Thin Mints, and I pulled out 2 tins. I wanted to just give him like. Then I thought, well, maybe I'll just give him. Then I thought maybe I'll just do 2 boxes. That's $10. But he saw the 2 tins. Hey, that's $40. You should buy them. You're helping a good cause. I was like, okay, I guess. So I bought 4. And he wanted me to give him a shout out. So his name is Sam. Sam might be in one of my future videos soon, but he also thought I should do a video. He's like, hey, Karen, you should do a video. It'd be a great cause. Girl Scout cookies. So I guess that's what I'll be doing tonight, guys. A Girl Scout mukbang video. Alright, I guess I had a sample of this taste. I don't like the way it tastes. It says no sugar, but there's something in here I just did not like. What does this taste? Yeah, I'm trying to find the sugar. I don't really see any sugar or fake sugar in here. I don't know what is actually in here that's making it weird. Maybe it's the natural flavor. I don't know, but it has a weird taste, but it also has green tea. It has green tea, guys, extract, so that's good. So, as long as it gives me energy, I don't really care how it tastes. Not really. Alright guys, I had somebody from Facebook Marketplace. They were interested in TV. And I had it on sale on Facebook Marketplace for $40. He says, will you take 30? I'm like, sure. I had it on sale for like 2 weeks. Nobody was buying it. Sure, 30, whatever. So I could have told him to come at 6, right? I texted him my address, and he comes at 5:30. I barely just got home. My house was a mess. My bed wasn't even made. It was kind of embarrassing, but he did say he liked my studio. So the TV's gone. It's one thing I wanted to sell and get that. I didn't think I was actually going to sell it because nobody was taking the offer. So I'm glad that's sold. I got a Prime package from Amazon. I think it might be my microphone for my phone. Let me check it out. Yeah, this is my new microphone I got for my iPhone. I also checked. It also works with the iPhone 11. So I think I might get the iPhone 11 tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's going to be the Pro or the other one. It's going to depend on how much it's going to cost. Because I know if I get the regular iPhone 11, it's only going to be $20 extra a month. So we'll see how much the iPhone Pro will cost me extra a month. Hope it won't be too much. But I think it'll be worth it because it has 3 cameras. And it's supposed to be like a great camera. The iPhone Pro is supposed to be the best one to get. Or really good. And so today is Wednesday, and I'm meeting my friend Jean. She's coming to my house, and she's just going to make me a vegetarian meal. She says it's going to be like Chinese or something, or Asian or something. So that should be good. All right, guys, I just opened my the box of the mic. I'm just checking it out, see what it looks like. And this mic right here, like this part right here, is so big. It's so much bigger than my on my normal ones that I buy. Also, this is the only mic on Amazon that got 5 stars. All the other mics on Amazon got 4.5. This is the only mic that got 5 stars. And it only had like 11 reviews, so I was really hesitant to get this, but I guess I'll let you guys know. Probably after I get my iPhone 11, I'll do a test. Alright, my friend Jean is going to make me a vegetarian meal. What is this called again?
Yakisoba. Japanese
where do you
noodles.
get it at?
Costco.
Oh, this is at Costco?
Yeah, it's really easy to make.
Is it?
Yeah. When I made it for myself, I added more vegetables, the stir-fry Asian vegetables that are in the frozen section in Trader Joe's.
Okay.
But I brought an Asian salad.
Can I see?
Yeah, this is from Trader Joe's.
Oh, it's Asian?
Yeah, it's an Asian salad. It has peanuts and rice noodles and cabbage and carrots.
Sounds good.
And some kind of greens, yeah.
Alright.
So,
You have to make it?
well, you don't like things microwaved, so I don't know if it has an option not to microwave
I
it.
prefer not, but can you fry it in the pan?
It only has microwave instructions.
So I got this.
Okay.
I had a sample of this because when you make it, I didn't really. It was okay, but not great. It was kind of mushy or whatever.
Oh, I like it mushy.
But they did a sample at Trader Joe's, and they served it with this pasta sauce. They served it with this vodka sauce. Do you see that?
Oh, vodka sauce. Okay, I've had that. It's
with
really good.
this,
Yes.
it was very, very good. I
good
bought
to
it
know.
right away. So I was like, "Hell, gnocchi won't be that good, but I'm gonna try it," and it was amazing.
Was it
I
really?
asked her how she did it because I know you microwave your food,
Right.
and she fried it up in oil.
Oh, okay.
And
Oh,
it was
that's good
so
to know.
maybe next time I make that with a salad for us.
Yeah, that would be great.
I loved it. So after I microwave it, I'm adding some of this sauce, and I'm just gonna mix it so it gets nice and saucy. Do you think that's enough sauce?
Oh, yeah, that's enough.
Okay. I don't know. It's a little spicy.
And
Yeah, I
that's
know.
because you put a lot of sauce on.
Is that why? Oh, the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
The sauce spicy?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually really good. Is this a regular item at Whole Foods? I mean at Costco?
I don't know. They change items, so I'm not sure.
Did you?
It's the first time that I saw it.
Well, if you see it, get me some.
Oh, really? Okay.
I like it.
I will, sure.
So I was telling Jean that I want to go to Hawaii, maybe in October for a few days. I'm not sure how many days. But I really want this place because it has blue walls. It's only $97 a night. So if you click on the picture right here, I think it's right here, you should see a better picture. And it has like a really good view, right?
Yeah, it has a great view.
Doesn't
Wow,
it have
that's
a,
incredible.
I don't think it has a beach view, but I still...
Look at the rainbow. Do you see the rainbow in the picture?
I do. So I can cook a little bit. It has a microwave. I mean, I'm not going to be private cooking that much because when I go to Hawaii, I like to go to the restaurants. All right, guys. It is Thursday around 9:30 p.m. This is very unusual for me, but tonight I'm going to go to bed early in a few minutes before 10. That's very unusual. I'm going to try to get up earlier. A few people I know have told me, or I've heard them say, if you go to bed early, like they will go to bed early and they'll wake up early and their day is amazing, full of energy. So I'm really tired. I didn't take a nap today. I was going to get the new iPhone, but the AT&T store I went to was closed, so I guess I'll try it maybe this weekend. But Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so today is Friday around 12 p.m. I'm going to meet my sister and her kids. We're going to have lunch at PF Chang's. All the kids are off today. It's actually Valentine's Day, but all the kids are off today. And we're all just going to share a bunch of food at PF Chang's.